absolutely amazing.
It was kind of hard to believe that before this was the garage. It's kind of like, almost took a second to like visualize.
Unbelievable. I mean, it's like beyond our wildest dreams.
It's a resort.
Literally, it looks like a resort.
It looks like a resort.
This is the Pagonis Training Center.
George, this is insane, man.
If I could describe what having 17 surgeries is like, I'd call it my own personal normal.
We're here in Merrick, New York to surprise the Mason family, whose very inspiring daughter Rachel has overcome tremendous odds.
Rachel was born with congenital scoliosis and thoracic insufficiency syndrome.
Despite strenuous surgeries and rehab, Rachel has persevered and inspired countless others, myself included. Fortunately, doctors are optimistic that her latest procedure will be her last. A custom music room would help enrich Rachel and Maya's lives and help them pursue their creative dreams together. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome home.
Thank you, thank you.
How you doing? Good. Bring it up. Come on, hog. I didn't know.
You know what you're getting this way.
I knew I was getting with TJ. All right, you want to see what's behind those windows where there once was a garage?
Yeah.
You guys ready for this?
Can't wait.
Check it out.
Oh my God!
Oh, that's
my
it.
God. Wow.
The second we walked through this door and saw this space, or actually when I saw the look on my girl's face, for me as a dad, incredible. The artwork, the designs, it was a lot for them to absorb.
Oh my God! Wow. I was just super excited and I couldn't believe what I was seeing because it was just so beautiful. It was kind of hard to believe that before this was the garage. It's kind of like, almost took a second to like visualize. They got the spot on. Yeah, they were like really good with it. It's just amazing how these people had like never met us before, but they knew exactly what we liked. And just looking around here, it's definitely our style.
This week's rescue, we're helping out the Brashear family. Kate works for a nonprofit in the city 5 days a week, and Ben is a writer who stays at home with the kids. Add to that, a third child on the way, no space to put them in. That's where we come in.
When we first bought this house, the backyard was lovely. It was beautiful. It was lush, and the only thing that wasn't was our garage. I mean, that was always really kind of gross and stinky, to be honest. The previous owners had a dog kennel that they operated in there, and so it was kind of just always stunk.
Keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down.
Yep.
3, 2, 1. 2!
Guys, check this out. You guys are good.
We try.
You guys are good.
Unbelievable. I mean, it's like beyond our wildest dreams.
I mean, we had such a big yard before, but it was just so much of it was totally unusable. And now it's like completely all totally usable. You know, when you don't have your own space, it's hard to take your work seriously. When you're pulling up on the couch and, you know, kids are running around you, it's just hard to think like, I'm a writer. It's very hard to keep that in your head. And to have a space that's dedicated to that, for me, I feel like I'm really gonna be able to sort of kick it up a notch and like get a lot of stuff done. Actually just start churning some work out. I feel like this is the start of some big things.
I hope so.
Pink? I definitely think they approve. Success. Alex is a former high school athlete and has had a long-time passion for my favorite sport, skiing. Several months ago, Alex was enjoying a day on the slopes when his parents received a chilling call that he'd been in a terrible accident.
Walking into the room and seeing my son injured, so bruised and laying there with tubes is something that you never want to see in your life.
I woke up
and I was in a hospital. At first I realized I had my hands and my fingers, but then I kind of knew something was off because I didn't have my normal feeling. And that's when the doctor informed me that I was paralyzed from my chest down.
His reaction was, so what? I'll deal. That was true Alex.
Since the accident, Alex's loved ones have been by his side. But now that he's wheelchair bound, he needs a home that gives him the independence he requires. All right, you ready, buddy?
Yeah, let's do it.
Welcome home.
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
So modern and nice.
Can I tell you how fresh and alive this is?
I am in awe of what has been done for Alex. It is beyond our wildest dreams.
Oh, whoa. Wow, this is absolutely amazing.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
You guys just incorporated everything that I love inside the perfect room. It's swag, and I'm all about swag. Wow.
Oh my God.
So beautiful.
It's such a difficult situation when you have a child who is going through such pain. And to see him uplifted by this team of people, it's just, there are no words.
A few years ago, Dana started up the Book Donation Connection, a nonprofit that has already contributed over 30,000 books to schools, hospitals, community centers, and homeless shelters. Dana runs the entire BDC from her unfinished garage, which is frigid in the winter and sweltering in the summer. With the BDC's inventory quickly rising, Dana's finding it harder to stay organized. So her mother, Carol, wrote to us asking us to surprise her beloved daughter with a rescue. And for somebody who's already done so much, how could we resist?
My name is Dana Zachary, and right now you're in my living room in Queens Village, a nonprofit that I run called the Book Donation Connection. It links people who have unwanted excess book. I didn't love books. I've grown up in a family of readers. We're book obsessed, and that's where this started. This started as.
All right, ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's not the same space. Oh my God. It is unbelievable that it's the same space.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
This is the new HQ of the BDC.
This rescue changes the way we're able to operate. And every time I get a box out the door, and every time I put a book into a child's hand, it's directly because I'm freed up in here to do it. It will make all the difference.
Hi, my name is Anastasia Pagonis. Some people call me Toss, and I'm 15.
Our daughter Toss is an incredible swimmer, and she's a Paralympian medalist.
Between the ages of 5 and 15, she has endured progressive vision loss, which recently has left her almost completely blind. We want to surprise Toss with a life-changing rescue that will give her the independence and comfort she deserves. A hazardous bathroom and light sensitivity issues around the house create daily anxiety and obstacles. All right, are you guys ready?
We're ready.
We're ready.
Are you set? Welcome home.
Toss, you're gonna die.
Maureen?
No, Toss, you're gonna die. Okay? Oh my
Maureen.
gosh,
You
Todd.
smell that?
Honey, what the? Oh my.
So put your hand right here.
Oh my God.
All right? Now just reach out a little bit more.
A jacuzzi!
So when you were at the hotel, I know you were training on an endless pool. So we talked to the guys at Endless Pool, and they're very much behind who you are. Wait, your hand's in it right now.
It's an endless pool, and she was just like, what?
This is not.
Oh my God!
Oh my
Are you kidding me?
Oh my God.
I've never seen anything like this in my entire life.
It's a resort.
Literally, it looks like a resort.
It looks like a resort.
This is the Pagonis Training Center.
George, this is insane, man.
How did you guys do this?
How do they do something like that? How do you do our garage to look like that?
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.